Now we will find time complexity for this program. From looking the program, it is maybe you all are thinking that it is extremely complicated, or maybe somewhat some extent it is complicated, but actually it is easiest, because every time if I is divided by I is multiplied by 2, then I is multiplied by 7, then I is multiplied by 10, we can write it directly. I is multiplied by 2 into 7 into 10, that is 140. I is multiplied by 140, and again multiply by 5, and then divide by 2 and 10. Cut. Now I, it will become I is multiplied by I cross 35, and its time complexity is, as we discussed same type of problem in previous, that if the I is divided by some value, then the time complexity is that value log and that value, based on that value. So based on log 35, log and base 35, this is the value, this is the answer for this question. Okay, now we will discuss some another type of example. Actually there is a dividing by some value and divide, and then multiply, and divide and multiply are the friends. So this is the main reason we find its time complexity this way. But if there is in the place of divide, this is the end of this time complexity problem. I am changing now. Look, if I equal to I plus 2, this is also given, these two are given for increment the value of I. Then in program, if we see I equal to I plus 2 is not making so impact or make any potential changing in the time complexity of this program. So we will take only this and give our answer. So answer of this program algorithm time complexity will be order of log and base 7. Okay, now next we will discuss another type of example. Here multiplication is higher potential, so we eliminate or ignore addition. Sometime we need to ignore multiplication also, where the potential changing is by power of due to power. And next type of example is we will ignore multiplication and consider only power. Okay, thank you. If you have any confusion, then come into comment box.